Hello, YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. Shout out to all the Zebecians and all the folks that are still holding a Zebec. So let me know what you guys think about that as well. Shout out to Silver Day if you're there. Can't tell if you're here or not. But let's go back to the actually go back to the comments. But thanks for joining. And as you can see today, a Zebec or Zebec, not sure yet how to say it, is still up 14.2% today. And let me start the screen share and see here. Let me see. Oh yeah, changed the setup a little bit. Broke my camera, so now we are back with another camera. But the weird thing is, this is a wide angle camera. I picked up the wrong freaking camera. But either way, thanks for joining. Thanks for your support. And at the bubbles, Zebec is up 14.2 on the day, down 0.3 on the hour, up 20.4 for the week, 48.8 on the month, and 299% on the year. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. So this is CFX is up 11%. Tron's up 3.8. XPR is up 2.4. Cubic is up 19.3. Metals up 7.1. HTX is up 8.4. PIX is up 21.1, and XDC is up 8.8. So let's go over to X real quick. So this is X, and this is the newest. I was going to show it yesterday, but my camera broke. It's actually on a tripod and knocked it over. So things have been kind of crazy. But we are back and we are live. Shout out to all the Zebecians. And let me play this video real quick.
We all have a goal, that thing we're working towards. The reason for the focus, the drive, the effort. You put in the work every single day. But the reward, that often feels disconnected, distant, a number that only shows up on payday. It's time to connect your effort to your ambition in real time. With Zebec, your earnings stream directly to you. Every second of work is a second of reward. So you can fund that future, launch that dream, and book that flight. Don't just work for later. Build your tomorrow today. Zebec Real-Time Pay. For real life in real time. We all have a goal. That thing we're working toward. The reason for the focus, the drive, the effort. You put in the work every single day.
So shout out to Zebec and that new video. Let me know if you like it or if you've seen it. Somebody mentioned, I think Mr. Forsyth mentioned, it might be on TV. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments. What up, Al? What's going on, brother? What is up? Silver Days. BTM Crypto News, XRP Army. Smash the like and subscribe. Zebec, and Zebec. So this is another image I created today. Are you getting ready? Are we getting ready for the moon? Probably should be we are getting ready for the moon. A breakout is coming. You can see this shuttle that resembles a ship, if you caught that, right? We're sailing towards the moon. This is, I beg your pardon, did you say Zebec wasn't doing it? And I told you guys previously, just hang around, girl. These guys are going to do something. You just got to be patient. So this is Pirates. 95% of people don't even understand. With clarity and crypto bill passing, crypto bull run is not going to stop. It's going straight through 2026. And he is right. And also, saying earlier, I was at a group of uh, a crypto meetup, and these guys had Solana there, and even Solana wasn't familiar. All the guys at Solana aren't familiar with Zebec yet. So the adoption's coming, guys. You just got to be patient. You think it's pumping now? Wait till we get the numbers up. Speaking of numbers, let's check this out. This is the holders numbers. Let's refresh that real quick and see what comes up. So for holders, we have 77,659. And I was trying to think, was it 76,000 we just rolled? 76 to 77. Because we rolled over from 76 to 77, and we're almost at 78. Guys and girls, this thing is running. Last 4 hours, we picked up 104 holders. Looks like they're all coming back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party. 12 hours, it is 4:38. Day, we're up 678. 678. 6, yeah. 3 days, we're up 1,188. This looks like the exact numbers I was leaving. 7 days, we're up 1,846. 14 days, we are up 2,719. 30 days, we're up 3,227. We're running them all back, guys. So go back to X, and we are off. Just did an official call with my insiders. Can't say much, but Zebec is about to explode. I don't know exactly when, but literally soon. Share to your friends, family. Get in now with Zebec or ZBCN. You're already ahead of the curve. Zebec or ZBCN will change everything. What up, Chad Williams? What's going on with you, bro? Welcome to the fold. What are we exploding? We're talking about the price on Zebec. Pirates climbing up to number 2 spot. Most ball on Uphold. Just wait until Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken FX and the rest want to get on board. We're just getting started. I just really thought about that. It's up 15% today. I think it was up 20 something this morning. We're not even on Coinbase or Binance or Kraken, which is weird because these are the main exchanges that pump. We're not even on them yet, right? We're not even pumping yet, guys. We're not even close to the top or the pinnacle of the point, right? We're just starting. We're not even off the ground. So put your seatbelt on and put your trade tables to your full upright position because I suspect I want to say these guys said Zebec is getting a big announcement on the 31st. I look at a lot of crypto, so I kind of got confused. But somebody said we are getting uh something happening um soon. So I can't remember. Let me know if you guys remember or confirm. Is it July 31st for Zebec? Is that announcement happening for Zebec? I can't remember. This is crypto. ZBN chart will look like this before the day ends. At 1 cent, bro, please. But that would be awesome. That would be very bullish. Big money doesn't miss out on the Zebec again. Doesn't want to miss out. Looks like. Trying to see if they bought this or transferred this. What the heck? What the, what the hell? So somebody bought 700. Wait a minute. Is this that one address I was dumping like crazy? 701,000, another 701,000, 1.3 mil won, 915,000. And there's no dates on this, Captain Jack. Give us some date. Okay, here's the dates. I'm tripping. Actually, these are different wallets. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, and 5 hours. That's weird. So this is Zebec News. Zebec Network has been up almost 50%, 49.4 this month. We are in the next phase of Zebec's upward momentum. Be smart with your investments. Be smart with your profits. If you're new to crypto space, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. You'll regret not following it. So this is Zebec at the 5. So yeah, Zebec's finally at the 5. We hit the 5, baby. We are on the 5. 5 on the 5 at 5. Is it 5? Well, at 3. But we're on the 5, right? Remember, don't fade the 5. This is Zebec to 1 cent. I hope so. Jago? Jago Gaming? But don't fade the 5, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Many will sail on the rise, and this is about to be about being, wait, this is not about being brave. This is about being smart. I'm going to hold all my Zebec, ZBCN. These prices are ridiculous, and the potential for utility has not yet arrived. Be patient and give time to time. I'm definitely going to wait. What up, Yazin? I'm definitely going to wait, right? At least till it's listed on Binance or Coinbase, right? I'm not selling until at least is on one of the two exchanges. And it's going to pump, right? Because it's pumping like crazy and nothing's happening today. But I told you guys, VBIC usually goes against the market. When the market's down, we are up. When the market's up, we are down. But if we are holding, right, and it starts to pump, I'm not doing nothing until it's listed on Coinbase or Binance, because that's when the major pump will happen. It's going to post 1 cent in due time. The connections to Zebec will shatter the market. What up, fam? What up, skills to the max? What up, Crypto Clay? What up, fam? What up, the Zebecians? What up, Silver Days, my main man? Alfred, what up, fam? Uh, Crypto Clay Yazim, what's going on? Fam, welcome, Zebekians. After it hit the 0 1 cent, Zebek is going to explode beyond. It's going to explode well beyond. I'm telling you, man, when it gets on Binance and or Coinbase, if that happens in the same day, you're going to see probably the one that's biggest green candles you've probably seen in crypto. Like everybody's going to be talking about. It's going to be major. It's going to be one of those news flashes like just in some crypto network called Zebec went up 200% today. Just it's crazy. And everybody's going to start Googling Zebec and the price is going to keep pumping even harder. Peace Crypto Clay woke up like this morning and I showed it, right? I showed wasn't even this morning. Yesterday I was looking like that. Like what's going on? Right? I expect to see generally I look and it's down 3 or 4%, or on a good day, it is up 5%. But when I looked at it and it was up like I want to say 14 or 15% early. Then it went up to like 20 something percent. Currently it's up 13%. So we're definitely uh pushing up. We're definitely making a couple dollars here, right? Yeah, made oh wow, made a pretty good amount this week. Can you do it by week? You can do it by week, but it doesn't change the week. What the what? Hold up, it can't be right. All time, I'm up 68% on this initial investment, and the whole time I'm thinking, dang, I should sell some and buy more XRP. Dang, I should move it over to XRP. Dang, I should buy some meme coin. I am so glad I didn't do anything. Just continue to hold and diamond handed. Previously mentioned to you guys, I don't want to keep saying I told you so because I'm tired of saying I told you so. But I did mention to diamond hand, guys, just hold. Wait, my hand disappeared. Just hold on. Wait, is my hand disappearing? Can you see the diamond? Ah, dang it. Yeah, no, I got a new camera. So I'm trying to work it out with the new camera. In haste, bought a wide angle camera. I didn't even know, man. But definitely continue to diamond hand. Yeah, people are blowing up my messages today. But I told you, um, when it's up, I never hear the end of it. When it's down, I never hear the end of it. So it's better to be up than down, I think, right? But yeah, it goes down 5%. I got DMs all freaking night. It goes 1%. I got DMs all freaking night. So either way it go, I'm gonna hear about it. But I'd rather it be up than down. Hit the like button, folks. Definitely hit the like button. I don't even know how you guys know nobody's hitting the like button. But yo, what up, quarter crawler? And you're right. I'm probably gonna start back the night shift with probably XRP and Caspa and maybe Turbo. I'm not sure yet. Stairway to heaven. Climbing, Clay. Climbing, bro. I'm actually from the amount we're up, I'm actually looking at Lambos. Looking if I can find a Lambo at the auction or at the sale. I'm just kidding. Be responsible with your money. Have a plan and use the plan, guys. Don't burn all your hard earned money on what is that? Tangible items, I think. Buy assets, right? Something you can do something with, not a car that's going to depreciate when you drive it off the lot. If you do buy it, don't buy it brand new, buy it used. It's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. And why is there no sound? What is going on with the sound today? Let me know. Okay, there we go. What up, Crypto Clay? What up, Ali? What up, Tony S? Let's go. Silver. Days, where you been, bro? Been out and about, but we're back. Let's go BTM. And like you guys see, this is me. I need to get some. I need to get some glasses where I could do that. Right? I want some strong glasses where I can freaking see the future. But I guess we can see the future. And actually, the FBI was talking to me about giving me the crystal ball back. So I don't know, guys. We might be um, going forward. So this is Zebec is on the move. Current price to 005. We are pushing the 5, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the 5, right? Up 18.5%, 24 hours. When driving the surge, you can you can ask. Zebec is turning real world traction into serious market momentum. Catalyst behind the pump broke the key resistance at the 0046. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, we are pushing the 5, guys. We are finally out of the 4s. Right? It's like a kid growing up. You're finally 6, bro. You are ready to move around. Tony S., what an amazing pump this morning. Yazin, let's go, Tony. Future of payroll, baby. These TV campaigns are going to be huge. And I showed that video earlier, so I'm not sure if you guys saw that. I heard talking about ETF. What? Where'd you hear that at, Tony? Where you hear that? Show me some. What is that? NFT. Let me see. I got my trusty. Wait a minute. Hey, yeah, I got my trusty chat, and I've been using chat a lot, bro. What is that? Chat X chat. Um, about what did you say? Yeah, the Zebec Network ETF. I use the chat as my rumor buster. I might call it the rumor meal. I might call it the chat, the R chat. I don't know. I got to come up with a clever name for chat. So this is back to the comments. You guys are going crazy in the comments. Also, there's not for nothing that Zebec is partnering with Algo as well as Ripple, both ISDA members. Can't stress this enough. Clay, you're right. This Algo ran or whatever is huge, right? I didn't think of it much, but that's all people have been talking about, the Algo ran credit card and the partnership. And these guys are making moves with thugs out here. In the future, we are ready. A lot of good news coming to Zebec. They are the choosing one. I'd be chosen one. Either way, Tony, what up? So does not appear that the Zebec Network, ZBN, has its own dedicated ETF. We knew that. There is no ETF currently offered Zebec as a tracked asset. Most ETFs that attract attention in crypto tend to focus on major tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, no smaller cap DeFi RWA coins such as Zebec. Tell me something we didn't already know. Hit the like button, guys. What is going on with the likes? What's really hood? Um, However, a few broader crypto ETFs or tokens funds might hold Zebec indirectly, if they focus on diverse holding and DPN or RWA blockchains, but there's no publicly traded ETF explicitly linked to Zebec Network at this time. We knew that. What is true? Wait, what is the true ETF optimism currently? News and discussions about ETF optimism typically reference Ethereum or Bitcoin ETFs, not Zebec. Masa's ETF feed and other created news about Zebec did not mention any future ETFs backed by the network. What Zebec's done does have, what Zebec does have recently. Zebec expanded its crypto card payroll systems to support 15 blockchains, which everybody's been talking to their blue in the face about, including Octospace. So also the Octospace one was bigger than I thought it would be. Enhance real world payments and utility integration. The system ecosystem already supports algo on the Zebec cards, enabling stable coins and token spending across MasterCard's network. I don't even know what this TLRD means. I'm trying to figure it out, actually. There's no Zebec Network specific uh, ETF. ETF related optimism typically refers to, bro. That's literally what you just said. Like Ethereum or Bitcoin, not ZBCN. ZBCN's growth is driven by real world utility integration, card payroll extensions, not ETF listings. So that was this. I want to go back to the previous article. Uh, where is this it? Yes. ZBCN is experiencing a sharp move upward. You don't say. Coin Gecko reports a 23 to 24% increase over the past 24 hours, with the token trading around the 0.005. Don't fade the 5, guys. Don't fade the 5. On volume exceeding 58 to 60 million, CoinMarketCap data aligns with the 20.8 gain and current price of the 0054 and the market cap of around 482 million. Gate.io listed a 24-hour increase of 24.2% with the price about 0.005 and the market cap at 472.6 million. I told you guys it would come back. And let's check coin ranking with they funny face self. Let's see what coin ranking says because they've been tripping. Better not say no 200 million market cap. See what coin ranking has. A Zebec app. Uh, there's no market cap on here. Why is there no market cap on here? Let me see. They don't have market cap. Um, live coin watch. I'm looking for live coin watch. Um, wait a minute. What? Maybe it's coin market cap. Let's see. Just wait until we get the announcement that a publicly traded company is using Zebec. Boom, it's coming, a big one. That or listed on Coinbase or Binance. I think that Binance is going to be big too, crypto clay. So we're up 15.5%. Why is my computer slow lately? Oh, wow, 17.9. Okay. Okay. I'm with it. So market cap is 453.1 million, 73.03 million, 24-hour trading volume up 156.4. Where are we? No, not yet. Yeah, we're looking at coin ranking. What happened to coin ranking? The coin ranking has us at 35 on the Solana chain. Seems like it should be higher. Quarter crawler, what is going on? So, where are what was it, 35? Well, here we are on the first page finally. Oh wow. Yeah, we were below. We were at 53 recently, actually. Where'd it go? And why is not that little thing here? Okay, well, at least we got the little top gainer on the list. So we're 35 on the Solana list, saying even this isn't right because this is only saying 209 million market cap. We should be up here, right? 23. Why does dang it? Why can't Coin Ranking get the number right? Yeah, 452. 452 will put us right here. Number 23, right under hint helium. Right under helium. I don't know why they don't update it or why they don't give us a real market cap. I'm not sure where they're getting their numbers from, but they're the only one that has this weird market cap number. So for US coins, we are currently at 62. It has to be the second page. We're here, right under above Plume and under IO Text X. This only says 208. This number is wrong. Where are you getting your numbers from? We should be on the first page here. Coin ranking. Do we need to open up a can of whoop ass? What is going on with these weird market caps, bro? Anyway, I'll keep it moving. Go back to what we're reading. What's behind the pump? Multiple catalysts are fueling the rally. Longer integration. ZBCN climbed 18.2% after integrating algo tokens into the payroll system, enabling payments with algo at millions of MasterCard accepted merchants globally. Ecosystem growth and client onboarding. Strong June performance. Zebec processed 43 million in monthly payroll flows. Zebec card processed 52 million across 11,900 cards issued in 97 countries. Bonded by Science Card UK acquisition and expansion into US payroll company. So if they're 43 million payroll, what company is using it? Right? Why can't we never find out who's using freaking Zebec? We know they're using it. There's freaking 43 million worth of monthly payroll. Like somebody says they're not even using it yet. Obviously they are, guys. Obviously they are. They're freaking using it, man. $43 million worth. Somebody's freaking using Zebec. I might ask that chat next, right? Ask who for payment process payroll. Actually, let's refine this. What companies? Let's go back up while that's loading. Where were we? Price surge, the data, technical rebound, accumulation. Zebec showed a bullish engulf reversal for June lows, a bullish engulfing. What the freak is that? The lows 0023 breaking out of the 003 consolidation range and retesting at the 004. Now challenge the 005. Don't fade the 5 potential targets. Impressive gains from lows from the intra-month bottom. ZBCN has surged 770%. Let me read that again. From the intra-month bottom, what is it? Intra-month? Middle of the month bottom, ZBCN has surged 770%, underscoring strong rebounding strength and renewed uh, investing. So, quick table summary. Zebec value at the 005, 10 to 24% last 24 hours. 24-hour trading volume 58 to 60 mil won. Market cap where we at? I'm gonna post this later, so I just want to get this screenshot. Oh man, dang it. Where were we? Quick. Okay. Market cap 470 to 480 mil won. Weekly gain 28 to 31. All-time high 0071, May 30th, 2025. A couple months ago. Algorand integration, client growth, and technical rebounds. Outlook and what to watch. The resistance zone for the next key level is the 0054 and the 0055. Don't fade the 5. We're looking for. Oh yeah, trading view. What he said? The 0054 and 55. Currently we're at the 0050. So we are on the edge of the 5. And what did this guy say? Where were we? Zero zero four, 0054 and 0055. And we are at the 0050. So we came down, but it's coming down for us to pick it up. What do you say? What I keep coming back here? The 0054. The 00 fear here. So this is the next key resistance. Great. Great. 0054. This guy. Um, just trying to get this lined up here. Close enough. Let's see here. How far is this to here? Dang it, this ruler, man. That ain't working the way it was. Is this even the right? No. We'll get back to it. Let's see. Where were we? We were here. Support level lies in the 004 and the 0038 zone. A buffer with a buffer above the 0035 and the 0031 from prior consolidations. Ecosystem activity, further client acquisitions, integrated Volume reports like payroll volume card usage could sustain the momentum. Technical patterns holding the resistance and forming higher lows would reinforce the bullish structure. Final take. Yes, Zebec Network is indeed pumping today with strong 24 to 20 to 24 upside uptick, bonded by ecosystem growth, algorithm integration, payroll, card volume, and technical reverse patterns. It always says that though. I think we ran about the ETF. This is what companies use Zebec. Use case using Zebec. According to Cointelegram, May 30, 2025, more than 200 enterprise level companies are integrated with Zebec Pay and human capital management HCM systems, offering payroll in USDC and other tokens. Zebec is now used is now used across SME and educational institution, particularly serving beyond 100 schools nationwide via acquisitions like PayBridge and School Pay Services. I didn't even know about that. The School Pay Services and PayBridge. Although I did hear someone talking about PayBridge. These clients include, finally, small and midterm sized companies, schools, universities, adjunct faculty, student workers, and contract researchers, distributed tech and remote first business, gig economy platforms, delivery, freelance marketplaces, ride shares, cross border teams, and remittance focused employees. Zebec, what's that supposed to be? Broader rollout education. Zebec acquired state or school payroll systems, SPS, and PayBridge, combining wage distribution platforms with pay blockchain streaming via its payroll growth partners (PGP) strategy. These tools are deployed in more than 100 schools across the U.S., delivering near instant stablecoin payments to academic workers via Zebec pay card systems. Are deployed for more than 100 schools in the U.S. Oh, so the schools in the why do we never know who's using ZBEC? Why does nobody do that? We got ZBEC, or you can use ZBEC, or we're using ZBEC. And not financial advice, but anything under a penny is still good to buy. You are right, David. That's mainly what I look for. Things that are low market cap to ride them up. Um, no Diddy. Lurkers alert, smash the button. Lurkers, no taxes, no tariffs. It's free. Thank you, quarter caller. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit your main man up with a super chat if you find it able to send it. Several users confirm usage in real world business applications. Zebec has a very strong current customer base. Payroll services a niche that will be great in the future. Zebec's success will rely on the growth of network adoption. So tell a friend, my friends. Zebec offered an alternative where you get paid every second you work, an alternative to primarily early wage advance models. These comments highlight widespread adoption among businesses leveraging stream per second payroll for hourly employees and freelance workers. I wonder if they can start cutting your pay if you ain't doing nothing. Right. If you mess it up or if you sleep, they turn your pay off till you wake up. That would be scandalous. Um, schools using XSPS, not even sure what that is, or PayBridge. I think I know what PayBridge is. Across 100 institutional adjunct students, payroll, and via USD. I think this is a summary we just read. And remote tech farms, businesses embracing continuous payroll tools for efficient payouts. Gig economy platforms using Zebec instant wage model instead of payment, advanced payment pay, advanced pay programs. Employers using real time blockchain remits for payments and distributed employees. PayBridge and Wage Link integrated under Zebec's tech stack for PGP acquisition. My businesses choose Zebec. Zebec, a real-time streaming payroll, removes the typical wait time for period wedges. Waiting period for wedges. I'm tripping. Wages. Built-in tax compliance, multi-sig treasury and payroll automation, integration with Web3 tools with existing HCM and payroll platforms. Ongoing value earned wage access, um, debit card usage, budgeting, and yield futures. Take new takeaways. VBIC has real transaction in education, SME, and remote workforce and gig platforms. Clients include over 200 enterprise level businesses and 100 U.S. schools, especially through PayBridge and SPS acquisitions. The company leverages stablecoin based on a per second payroll, growing in its niches where wage frequency and fitability matter. So make sure you share this video with everyone you know about Zebec and the subject. I want to see at least 15 shares before tomorrow. Is the FOMC meeting tomorrow? Anybody know in the chat? I keep hearing people talking about it, but I haven't really been watching the news. So let me know what you guys think. Uh, where we at? So this is Swift like a cheetah, and then is Zebec running with the cheetah, which is cool actually. Uh, Rage Against the Machine, the Battle of L.A. L.A. Big City of Dreams. I'm not even sure what this is. Matthew, wait, is this guy on a live? I saw somebody mention. Maybe it's just me looking at his. Um, good morning, guys. Zebec 005 up 19%. Definitely creative control. Mit's cryptic crypto. Check with Mix crypto. Uh, cryptic crypto's videos. Okay, this is a tongue twister. Let's see what Migs has to offer here. Oh, wow. Was I talking on mute the whole time? That's weird. Zebec Next and Crypto Movers, Zebec Network token, ZBCN jumps 20% to the 005 after 15% of the blockchain integration with outer space enables Octo token spreading via Zebec card. This move aligns with Zebec's bridge to DPN projects, real world crypto utility. Thanks, guys, for the update. Yes, Silver Dollar, Silver Days, we are live. Thanks for the crawler. So, dang, well, there's no sound in that video. So, I don't know if you guys saw that video. And I think we talked about that as well. The chart looks like it just found a pre-workout. Real burns, found a pre-workout. Real payments, real breakout. Blink, and it's a new level. Don't say it and warn you. Why is ZBCN's up 18% in the past 24 hours? TLD. ZBIC search on technicals. Breakouts growing utility from Octaspace integration and payroll traction, token burn, and bullish cocktail. Drivers broke the 0046 swing high, triggering breakout trades. Octo Space integration finalized. Octo now spendable via Zebec card at 15 Milwan merchants. Credit card rollout planned Q3 2025. Card volume hit 52 million in July, up 7 month over month. So let me know what you guys think about that. One, Zebec burned their transaction, deflationary gas structure. May buyback remove 14.6 million tokens. So they're going to burn them and buy them back? That's weird. No, they're just doing regular buybacks, I think. MACD bullish crossing, histogram flip positive, RSI 7 at the 70.8, hot, but not yet exhausted, 127.2 fib. Extension shows the 550052 as the new resistance, then the 0068. Zebec is riding a wave of the ecosystem expansion, real world card utility, token burn pressure, and real momentum. Eyes on whether payment adoption can keep pace and rising price expectations. So on the 5-minute chart, looks like it's cooled down. Where is the 15-minute chart? The RSI is still. Where's the 70 RSI? I'm trying to see. Okay, so this is 62. That's 4-hour chart. Wow, 69. It was there. And the day chart might be definitely not. That's weird. That is weird. But moving forward or back. Oh yeah, I wanted to pop that video. And it's right here. We provide infrastructure, but companies like Zebec make blockchain sing. Mark V, CMO, CSMO of Ego Foundation on why security crucial. Security is crucial when bringing real world assets on chain through Zebec and Algorand. Let's see what you say, Slick. I'm not sure. Actually, he is speaking.
Secure, and you want to make sure that whatever you do. ISO compliance, of course, is very important. And we are actually one of only a handful of blockchains that are compliant. And so, for instance, our ledger today is one of the few ledgers out there that is quantum secure. And you want to make sure that whatever you tokenize on chain will still be secure when quantum computers hit. And so that's what we have today. The chain is kind of quantum secure from a ledger perspective. But it's companies like the Zebec that make the magic happen for users, right? We are just the kind of infrastructure layer below it. We make sure everything kind of runs properly and there's no downtime and it's secure and it's safe. But ultimately, what drives the usage is the companies like Zebec who basically build services on top of it that make the blockchain sing. The ISO compliance, of course, is very important. And we are actually one of only a handful of blockchains that are compliant. And so, for instance, our ledger today is one of the few ledgers out there that.
So I missed it and started over. Trying to eat a snack real quick. Zebec with the green candle. I'll see if this open clip has anything to do with Zebec. I don't think so. I think that is a ad. So this is Zebec hit the 005. Don't fade the 5. Um, what is that? Lakers in 5? Hold up. We kicked ass overnight as ZBCN up 18%. While the rest are in red. ZBCN has no market ceiling as we run on pure digital payroll advancement. Lakers in 5. That's what the saying is. Lakers in 5. I'm tripping. But Zebec then passed the 5. I expect to find support here. What up, Abdullah? What's up with you, bro? Welcome, Zebekians. So this is the 005 at up 18%. I think we're going to push on up to 6. I think 6 would be the next support. So let's check this out real quick. I don't know why. I thought there was sound there and I was eating. I realized there's no sound. And I also realized for some weird reason this thing comes out from the sidebar. So it's hard to turn the um, unmute, right? Because this thing keeps popping out. I need to find another way to do this. That was me from the 005 this morning. What is this? That's a Caspa video. So that might be it. I thought there was 2 of those. Maybe it was the same one. Let's see what's going on in the Zebec News channel. Zebec News channel. Da-da-da-da. Nothing major. Why does Zebec only got 3,000 people? Must be more than one Zebec. I'm already a member of this group anyway. I am. Trying to see if there is anything new under the first target achieved in 22 hours. In 2 hours. Profit 59.8%. On our Telegram. No, thank you. What is this guy talking about? Was mentioned ticker in the last hour, ZBCN, Zebec. ZBCN is an uptrend with recent price action showing strong bullish momentum as it breaks above Key resistance at the 0045, bro. We've already broke the 5, bro. We're talking about the 4-5. We done broke the 5. The RSI is near overbought territory, indicating potential exhaustion, while the MACD shows bullish continuations. Volume is increasing, supporting the upward movement, actually, but caution is advised as a pullback could occur. Price currently at the 005, indicating potential entry point for short-term traders. Market cap at 446. Market cap suggests moderate capitalization and growth potential. 72.6 million 24-hour trading volume signals significant liquidity and active trading. Volatility price action requires monitoring and volatility patterns and breakout confirmations. Liquidity high volume supports efficient order execution and reduces slippage. Capitalization market cap positions Zebec within the mid cap range, balancing the risk and reward. Further, analysts needed to determine prevailing trends and potential reversals. This is top 10 crypto moves 24-hour ranks. Zebec is right here, number 4 with 14%. This is old because it was early. Actually, it's probably an update from the original one. Pump is up 20%. CVX 15%, Bonk 15%. More analysis. Let's see here. A lot of chart work. Let's go over to. Did we go over this already? Did we? I don't think so. What's cross-border teams? Employees are using real-time. Yeah, we did talk about that. Real-time streaming payroll removes typical waiting periods for wages, built-in tax compliance, and multi-sig treasuries and payroll automation. Integrates Web3 tools with existing HCM and payroll platforms. Ongoing value via earned wage access, debit card usage, and budgeting and yield feature. Not sure what that is. Zebec has real traction in education, SMEs, remote workforce, gig platforms. Clients include 200. No, it's not this. This is just a duplicate from earlier. So we didn't cover this already. 200 enterprise level businesses and 100 plus U.S. schools, especially through PayBridge and SPS acquisitions. The approach leverages stablecoin based per second payroll, growing and riches where wage frequency and flexibility matter. Support will be somewhere near a penny. I hope so. Let's see what we got. See if we can zoom in on the day chart. Looks pretty good. A lot of green candles. We're building volume on the day. And let me see. RSI is coming up on the day chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Looks like it's coming down. This is the 10 cents currently sitting on that 0051. We're staying above the 5 though. Actually, is this 00? Are we at 004 or 00? Yeah, we're staying there. It's tight. RSI is way up, came back down to 69.7. And we're building volume on the MAC. Looks like there's a MACD cross coming. On the 1 hour, the MACD cross, we're losing volume. There was a cross there. RSI is still at 53.6. Relative based RSI is flat at 64. Now we'll check the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, looks like we're. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Yeah, still holding the 5005. It's coming down 45.2. RSI base moving average 44.7, and we're losing volume. Let me triple check this, and then we'll go over to Coin Market Cap and shut it down for the day. Top crypto gainers and losers, 29th of July. Top gainer, 23% to Zebec. Shout out Zebec. Cubix. Conflux. Useless coin. Rightwalk still holding it in there. Actually, it's down. I'm tripping. It is down. It's the wrong way to go. All I need to know is my case. In my case, how many wallets pushed me down the list? I'm within 200 count since yesterday. 12 wallets pushed me down the line. He just moved in and had stronger DCA. What is he talking about? What are you talking about, bro? Futster's better process that this is better go back to their caves because we have a clear gem. The winner's here. Bump, 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 bump. The champ is here. The champ is here. ZBCN is shaping decentralized media with Web3 native content, ownership, and engagement. Kulu supports this by enabling RWA framework that tokenizes creative IP and monetize digital rights on chain. Interesting. The two Zebecs for a penny, that's great. So we're halfway to a penny? I guess we are, huh? I'm tripping. Since you think it's a scam, I'm reading that. Fully partnership with Octaspace. No, I quit. Don't remember to do that all the time. You should see how price shocks loading at Octa because this is low market cap, doesn't show the real value of tech in any way. We are the best DPN prevalence built on layer one. Both projects will have big adoptions. What up, Mr. 5? Z-Burn to 3 cents by the end of August. Let's go. If you like it, I love it. I would definitely love that, bro. What happened on the third? That's what I'm saying. Okay, it's not just me. Okay, I'm not losing my mind. I'm not watching too many YouTube videos and too much crypto. They said it was an announcement on the 31st. The FOMC meeting is tomorrow. The 31st is Thursday, I think. It's either Thursday or Friday. 31st is Thursday. Okay. Um, that's a good question. I would love to hear the answer to this guy. What does that have to do with what's happened on the 31st, man? Let me see. Strategic partnership has been formed with Zebec Network and Octaspace. Native Network has become the 15th blockchain. We've read most of this. Well, all right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mr. 5-6, we do need uh Coinbase and Binance. And I think when that happens, things are gonna get crazy. But as always, thanks for joining. Oh man, I'm using the wrong camera? You gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding. Oh man. I was using the wrong camera. Oh man, now where did it look weird? I'm tripping. Oh man. It makes sense. But as always, let me see something. I was using the wrong camera the whole time. Oh man. But yeah, as always, let's get back to the money, guys, and stay dangerous. It's your main BTM here. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you again later this evening. Silver days, that's weird. You're right. I should start over. But it doesn't really matter at this point. I think we did pretty well with the wrong camera. I was wondering why I was looking like that. Man, you can't freaking believe it. But either way, had a pretty good video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and super chat. And as always, let's get back to the money and stay dangerous. It's your main man, BTM, signing out. Peace and hair grease. And see you tomorrow. Same bat channel, same bat time, but probably be a lot richer. Not financial advice, but it's your main man, BTM. He's out.